I'm ready. I can't see nothing in this view.
Point it forward.
Yeah.
Just checking it real fast.
Go forward. Right there, Sean. No, in the pilot station. Because that's where they're going to be. Okay. You might as well go ahead and start shooting and just look at your BBs. Every time he passes, it gives you a reference point. No, I mean when the plane goes by.
Here we go.
There you go.
Let's see what happens. I don't think I lighted it off.
Probably not. Best thing to do is lead way forward and then come back to it. That's how the actual anti-aircraft gun.
Here to have black BBs. Well, now you know fluorescent, maybe. White BBs are hard to see. Fun fact, white.
Well, then have a few drinks next time before you fly.
Okay, let's see.
I heard it.
You heard it?
I heard it. Yeah. Did you hear it?
I think I had the lead on it too. So it is really almost center runway. That or tiny bit closer.
No, I think center of the runway.
Like we are already? Not?
Nope. I heard it right at the last. So lead, you were adjusting going forward, weren't you?
Yeah.
All right, lead further forward this time and then come back to it. And it'll fly into your BBs.
Like a true AA gun. Instead of a box.
All right, here we go. See, you were leading too far behind again, weren't you?
Oh no.
I couldn't tell actually.
Bounce the rocks.
Oh, famous last words.
Well, you know, I'm diving at this thing.
Yep, do that. As long as it doesn't come within 15 feet of you. Yeah, he moved out and he moved the plane out too.
God, what kind of range do you need with an airsoft?
This is a low FPS one.
Okay.
The ones he had would have, you know, worked at
No,
it.
this is high FPS. It's just there. It's almost impossible. With wind, it throws the keys off real badly. Okay. That's why it sucks to play in wind.
Or does it blow?
Listen, just do the center line. Ignore me, and I'll dive if it comes towards me. Okay?
I heard it.
At the end, that's me running out of ammo, just so you know.
Okay, that was cool.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Sean, come back here. I didn't know how uh-oh to... I might have got that on video. I don't know, I was too uh-ohing myself.
Okay, bring it a little lower if you can.
I like that you can hear it.
Yeah. Let me check my It's coming off that hill.
Yeah, I think we did what we wanted to. Now we'll get a video and see what it looks like when he brings it in. Just put some wheels that were just almost flush with the bottom and land that thing, couldn't you? Doesn't it?
I don't really have
Yeah, as slow as it's going.
Come in here.
Oh yeah, that's slow. Oh, excellent. Yeah, that's really easy.
That was pretty cool. Got such high lift.
That's true. Yeah, on a real thin one, I don't know if you'd hear it, but this you could definitely hear.
Okay, right side of fuselage. I highly doubt.
Look, they come out this side.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's an airsoft pellet. The airsoft's still
Oh, it's
there.
in there. Oh, there's actually a pellet up inside there. I'll leave that there for you. Oh,
There's
look,
one.
here's one.
Here's a pellet.
Oh, I see.
Oh, there's another one.
Oh, look here.
Here's one.
Just get heavier.
Right there.
Yeah, here. Oh, yeah. There's one embedded in there.
Oh, I got another battery. We can always do it
Looks
again.
like a
Oh, look up here. So they're really hitting you. That's why you're hearing it.
Down
You didn't get the vertical. That's what. But you know what?
that's so
There may be
solid.
some give. It may just come off of there. But that's cool. That's cool. It does work.
Oh, here's one.
Just don't hit speed control. You might have to do one of your little protectors on that
There's
speed
one
I don't
control.
think that's
There's
gonna-
the BB.
Oh,
I don't think you
that's so
can. Yep.
solid.
Yep.
It's
Oh, that's cool. Oh, look, I think there's more up here. Up here and here. Oh, look, yep, right here. Look. All those here over here, too.
I didn't think I actually even hit it.
We can hear it. You can hear